Hello, my name is Maxa, and today I'll be presenting my project on Hangman. Basically, obviously based off of Hangman, what I like about it is that it's really clean, it's well made, and it has all of the regular Hangman mechanics that you'd expect. The features I want to use in my project were obviously the guessing mechanics, drawing the Hangman when you guessed wrong, and having a lot of words to choose from, so there wouldn't be any repeats or any of that. Moving on, I use a lot of files to build my project and inputs to code it. If you look into my project, you can see that I have a separate file for all of the words. There's a lot of them, and it's a project. During class, I learned how to make functions and take input to use my project. And I ask the user to guess the words, and I also use functions to create certain events. For example, when you guess the word, I would use a function to draw the hangman. Here's an example of the code. This is a function that I used to draw the hang machine, basically the thing that holds the person. And I could activate the hang machine whenever I wanted, which was useful. And this code below the input for the letters, and it also error checks, as you can see here. So now I'll be showing you a quick demo of my project. So basically, here is my project. If I click run, down here it'll show you the down here out instructions for you, and you can read that. And I'll just go over a bit of my code. See, it's right here. I would activate it, and then this is just to clear the instructions once you're done, so it's cleaner. And then when we look down here, we can see that I have a function for lives, and I'll show you how it works. Like if I purposely try to guess something wrong, I'll guess it's going to be incorrect. So it'll draw the circle, which I can show you here, where I put if lives equals 5, I draw the head, and when you guessed wrong, you would lose a life. So that's why it would draw the head. That's basically the gist of my hand. It's what you would expect from a regular man. So these are my next steps. My favorite part about working on this project was adding words and creating the functions. Continue to work on this project, I would add a score to keep track of how many letters or words that you have guessed, a timer to show how long it took, and animation. So that's about my project. Thank you for watching. Okay.
Very well done, Max. And I have actually 2 follow-up questions to that.
Oh, wait, I forgot. I stopped sharing.
Oh, it's okay. No worries.
Okay.
My first question was, how does the game detect input errors?
So as I've shown before, I have error checker in my code. I wrote if input, which is what you're guessing, is not equal to 1, I would have to send you back because you can only guess one letter. And I also have error checkers just to see if you did something wrong. So yeah.
Okay, very good. And for my second question, how did you calculate the hangman drawings to be specifically where they're supposed to be?
So what I did was I did a lot of guess and check. So after I drew my first hangman part, just base everything off of that. For example, if I had a head, my body and my legs and my arms would all be based off of the size and the positioning of the head. So all I do part, and I was fine. So, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much and very well done.
Yeah.